What's going on, guys? It's Mike with Shallow Reefing coming back at you. About to do a 20-gallon water change on my 80-gallon reef tank. I'm going to start by going down to the sump and changing out some of the media, and then I'm going to get the buckets out and drain it. And then don't forget everyone's fish towels. I got like a whole stack of fish towels up here, right in reach. Gotta have at least a half dozen of those things. But yep, I'm gonna get started and then film the progress. I hate water changes. Alright, so I'm gonna go over some of the stuff that I would do for my monthly maintenance. I have some Phosguard here. I got the carbon and some GFO. I'll sometimes mix the GFO with the Phosguard. Last time I didn't do it, but this time I will. And it's in the Sea-Chem bag. So this guy right here is fine enough to hold Phosguard and hold the GFO. Then I got some pond matrix I gotta wash out. And then I got my carbon bag, which is gross. So I'll get to clean this out and then show you what it looks like when I'm finished. Alright, so I finished cleaning out everything. What I did was I washed this out, washed that bag out with tap water, then put the chemicals in it, or well, the carbon, GFO, and Phosban, and then I filled up this container with some RODI water and just kind of dipped it a couple times, making sure that I got all the fine particles out, dumped that down, and then now I'm letting it dry. Same with the carbon. And then these guys here, the pond matrix, you have to clean it out or else all the detritus gets in the little nooks and crannies, and then you don't have any of that biological filtration anymore. So I just did it with tap water. You don't really need to do it with RDI water. There's a lot of RDI water you'd be wasting if you did it that way. But now it's time for me to start siphoning out the tank. Alright, time to get started on the water change. I got two 5-gallon buckets, so I'll dump those down the drain and the bathroom, which is right around the corner. As you can see on the left hand side, I got 4 5-gallon jugs. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably take 10 gallons out of the sump, clean out all the detritus, then take another 10 gallons out of the display, and then fill her back up. I had to get a picture of this anemone. It is so big, it's about to split. I mean, it's just giant. It's bigger than my hand. Well, finished everything up. Mixed new salt water, topped off the ATOs, did a 20-gallon water change, changed out all the carbon and GFO and Phosban, cleaned out the sump, emptied out the skimmer cup, and siphoned out all the detritus in the 10-gallon tank, and that took me about an hour and a half. I really think I need to do something about automated water changes, because this is not fun when you do such a big water change. I'm thinking of getting the Apex dose and doing water changes that way, but I'm thinking I might wait until I start my new build for the 150-gallon once this tank's gone. That way I can just start off right and make everything easy, because I don't want to kind of like retrograde everything and retrofit everything and try to make it work with this one. I mean, I'm really happy with the tank, but you know, once you get to this level, you kind of just want to go a little bit bigger and see what you can do. But that's all I got for this time. Come on back and I'll have another video for you.